Hello believers and welcome to this episode of SMC DAO tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be taking you step by step on how to mine Ultiverse token by staking Ethereum on OKX app. Ultiverse is going to be launching on 6th of June 2024, which is about 1 day from now. So this tutorial is going to help you immensely on how to participate in this mining event and get right into it. Alright, so first off, we'll open our OKX app, and this is the homepage of OKX. Remember, to be able to stake Ethereum, you first have to have Ethereum tokens in your wallet. And if you don't already have that, you can easily tap on trade right here and buy Ethereum for USDT pair, and then you'd have Ethereum in your wallet. So let's get into how to stake Ethereum to mine Ultiverse. Tap right here on grow and you'd see earn, loan and Jumpstart, but we are out in the lookout for Jumpstart. That is where we'll be mining our Ultiverse. So as you can see, 79% has already been mined, and the timing shows right there for 14 hours and 31 minutes. So you can easily tap on Ultiverse to know more about the mining. Right, so if you scroll the way down, you see the accumulated rewards so far and the total rewards, which is about 150 million. Right, scroll the way down and you learn more about it. But we are not staking in the BTC pool because we have Ethereum. However, if you have Bitcoin, you can check out our video on how to stake your Bitcoin to mine Ultiverse on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow our page to be the first to get any of our tutorial videos. So to stake your Ethereum, tap right there on Ethereum staking pool and tap on stake. So it shows that the staking limit is 3.5 Ethereum, but I have $40 worth of Ethereum, so that's what I'm going to stake. However, it is in my trading account and not in my funding account. To be able to stake your Ethereum, you have to ensure that your Ethereum is in your funding wallet. So to do that, I'll just tap right here on transfer. I'll be transferring from my trading wallet into my funding wallet, and I'll tap on max. So I'm transferring all, confirm, and get right back to the staking page. Transfer is successful, so I'll go right back. And now I can successfully stake. I'll put all of my Ethereum and tap right here on stake. So this is successful. My rewards are going to be calculated and sent to my funding account within 2 hours after the event. So tap right there on OK. If you want to monitor the mining process, tap right there on assets. And you'd scroll all the way down and you'd see Jumpstart right here. Tap on Jumpstart. So it shows that my Ethereum right now is being mined and my Ultiverse tokens are being mined. If this video has been helpful to you, tap right there on the like button, subscribe and turn on post notifications to be the first to view any of our tutorial videos that we release. See you in our next video. Goodbye.